venture capital firm Ribbit Capital. In September 2020, Grow raised $30 million in Series C led by Y Combinator. The round also saw participation from existing investors Scubia India, Ribbit Capital and Propel Ventures. And in April 2021, Grow raised $83 million in the Series D round. Tiger Global Management led the fundraising with the participation of Grow existing investment with Squaria Capital India, Ribbit Capital, Y Combinator and Propel Venture Partners. In October 2021, Grow raised Series E funding of $251 million at a valuation of $103.
Very good. So Series E तक आपने बताया. आप summarize करके थोड़ा in a nutshell. What should everybody learn from your talk?
So
everyone listen to me please. Yes.
सबसे पहले जैसे हम लोगों ने इसको स्टार्ट किया था तो हमारे को सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग हुई कि सीड फंडिंग कहाँ से कर सकते हैं. तो इसमें ग्रो ने भी अपनी सीड फंडिंग की थी. सबसे पहले वाई कॉम्बिनेटर और प्रॉपल वेंचर कैपिटल करके कंपनी है उसके साथ. तो उसमें सबसे पहले हमने देखा कि हमें ये स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें सीरीज़ ए और सीरीज़ बी और सीरीज़ सी हमने 3 तरह की डिस्कशन की थी, जिसके अंदर हमें ये कैटेगराइज किया गया था कि जो सीरीज़ ए है वो स्केल ऑफ द बिजनेस. जब उन्होंने अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना था तो उन्होंने सीरीज़ ए की हेल्प ली थी फंडिंग करने के लिए. फिर वो सीरीज़ बी फंडिंग में आए थे जिसमें उन्होंने ग्रोथ और जब अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और एप्लीकेशन लॉन्च वगैरह सब कुछ कर लिया, जहाँ पर उनको प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी दिखाई दी, तो उसका उन्होंने डायरेक्टली सीरीज़ सी पे शिफ्ट हो गए थे, जो कि था इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग. और ऐसे करके फिर डी.
वेरी गुड. प्लीज क्लैप फॉर गुड. Would you like to come and speak? Come on, please.
So I have divided into series A, B and C.
Great.
So I'll be talking about Zomato. So initially Zomato's journey began in 2008 when founders Dipender Goyal and Pankaj Chadda started the company as Foodies Bay. Initially the company was self-funded. The founders invested their own capital to kickstart the venture and develop the platform. As the platform grew and gained traction, the users' interest also grew, so Zomato attracted the attention of angel investors who provided seed funding to fuel its early growth. Now coming to Series A, in 2010, Zomato raised its first significant round of funding to scale its operations and expand its reach. The Series A round was led by InfoEdge Limited, a prominent investor that recognized Zomato's potential to disrupt the restaurant industry. This infusion of capital enabled Zomato to accelerate their growth trajectory, expand its team and enhance its products offering. Now moving on to Series B. Building on the momentum from its Series A funding, Zomato embarked on its Series B rounding to further scale its operation and strengthen its market's presence. The Series B round completed in 2013 and it attracted investment from both existing investors such as InfoEdge as well as new venture capital firms. With the additional capital from Series B funding, Zomato focused on international expansion, entering new markets beyond India and enhancing its technology platform to improve user experience and restaurant service. Lastly, Series C. Zomato's Series C funding round was conducted in 2015 and it marked a significant milestone in the company's growth journey. This round of funding saw substantial investment from both existing investors and new institutional investors, including venture capital firms and strategic investors. The capital raised in Series C round allowed Zomato to diversify its business model by entering the food delivery segment, such as launching Zomato Order. Additionally, Zomato utilized the funds to strengthen its position in existing markets, invest in marketing and promotional activities, and expand its team to support its growing operations. So overall, in conclusion, Zomato's strategic approach to securing funding through seed money, Series A, Series B and Series C rounds played a crucial role in its evolution from a startup to the global leader in the food technology industry.
Great. So as Sadhika told that Zomato was initially infused with seed money by InfoEdge. InfoEdge कौन सा company है? Naukri.com. Very good.
That two students got placed
in Naukri.com. Very nice. Yeah, Naukri.com has actually rebranded itself, new logo and everything when I see the app now. Great. So good. So now you have a complete direct relation with Series A, B and C. Now you can have a clear understanding Great, good job. Anybody else who would like to come here and present?
Left with OpenAI. किसी ने search किया?
Yeah, OpenAI. Girls, what have you done? Okay, I'll go one by one. Yes. Which company have you researched on? Zomato. What did you study? What did you research? Very good. Okay, try to recollect your thoughts and then come forward. Okay. Yes, what did you research on? Same. Very good. Right. So now you have understanding of Series A, B, C, and D. Yes? Somebody says Series B, will not be like shocked. Right? Very good. Okay. What did you research on? Zomato. And what was your outcome? So you can stand and speak and yeah, stand and speak. Yeah.
Funded with their personal savings.
Okay.
And then from the angel investors.
Great.
For venture capital. Then third, apart from traditional funding sources, Zomato also funded from strategic partnership.
Great. Sit up. Good, good. Anybody else? Boys from here? Yes. Second row. 3 boys. Anyone can speak. Who would like to speak? Okay, you. Blue shirt, yes. Come on, come on. You must have researched something. Yes, I want to understand. Listen.
I have researched on industry, not
Okay.
company. So my research is on watch industry in India. What is the actually I wanted to do my we have 2 research. One is secondary and primary.
Yes.
My goal is to in secondary in this research, secondary research, I want to create base research first. See what watch industry is, what kind of brands we have, how many competitors, how many offerings, how it is changing day by day and how it is evolving. Then my plan for next research is to go in depth on consumer behavior, to do several, to be able to do those. I'm not taking the word.
So, what's your name?
Prince.
Prince. So, Prince, do you think watch industry in India is saturated? I mean, when I look at, when I, as a customer, if I go to buy watches, so what brands do I rely on? Either they are international brands or Indian brands, like Titan or Fastrack or
HMT.
Yeah. HMT is very, very good. Like, but recent
is
ones?
right.
Yeah. So, do you think this market is saturated?
Not as such, we have huge choices available.
Yes.
Which, including every, we are, actually I am a watch collector since my early policies.
Great.
I have had seen this boom in watch industry. Several brands are coming to India. They are recognizing potential in our markets. Early days people didn't have that much interest in watches, but it is evolving. People are moving towards more sophisticated lifestyle. Their choices are being changed. So my this is the goal for my next research. I am learning certain analytical skills, RFM, customer segmentation, market price modeling. I would be able to do those in next 6 to 4 months. I need to practice those. So then I'll collect the data and do those researches. But this would be a basic research. So let's say if anybody tomorrow if anyone wants to get into this industry, that these 2 research would be very helpful to that person.
All right. And it's interesting to know that you've been a watch collector. So you have like domain knowledge of that because yourself you have been experiencing different watches.
Yes, that's why I chose this industry. I wanted to make something which would be helpful to somebody who wants to venture into this industry later on.
One of my students is also trying to start up or customize designer watches.
Yes, we are.
These days, young generation, they want to invest a lot of money in designer watches.
We are
Shoes also. Shoes also.
It has
Shoes cleaning is also a big industry.
Yes.
Shoes. Pets also a big business nowadays.
I mean, the young generation like you, yourself, in college, everybody wants to flaunt their shoes or even watches. And I think, unlike us as adults, the young generation, they want to come up with customized, good quality watches. Good, friends, very good. Yes, anybody else? Yes, few words for me. Next row.
I research in OpenAI.
OpenAI, great. So please come here and present. Please come in front.
All of you come in front.